कहते हैं कुछ जगह ऐसी होती हैं जहां अपनापन सा लगता है। यू फील एट होम। आज हम आए हैं एक ऐसे ही प्यारे शहर में विच इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज दिल वालों की दिल्ली। कम लेट्स एक्सप्लोर Delhi's very famous places that will surely take your heart away. Hi guys, this is Dipanshi and welcome back to my channel. आज हम आ चुके हैं मेरे होम टाउन दिल्ली। मैं मुंबई में हूँ पिछले 4 सालों से एंड आई हैव मिस्ड ग्रीनरी सो मच। आई मिस द पार्क्स, आई मिस द गार्डन्स, क्योंकि इतना तो नहीं देखने को मिलता ना। सो आज हम आए हैं सुंदर नर्सरी विच इज लाइक अ ह्यूज पार्क इन itself. It has a tomb, it has a lot of various other things which we are going to discover today. This is such a beautiful place that one can really sit around here peacefully and have the best time. You can hear the birds chirping. You can sit beside the lake, which is right somewhere behind me. There's a fab cafe as well here, which is like really famous. There's a path here to tread on. And there is a swing. Another thing Sundar Nursery houses really well is a bed full of roses. I am walking right in the middle of so many roses. This place is extra special because it was set up in the 16th century. Sundar Nursery is right on the Grand Trunk Road, which is very close to the India Gate. And another very famous attraction of Delhi is Humayun's Tomb. So if you're planning to visit Humayun's Tomb, you must visit Sundar Nursery. तो आप actually plan कर सकते हो अपना Sunday brunch यहाँ पर. It is also very pet friendly, तो आप अपने pets ला सकते हो अगर आपके पास pets हैं, और बस chill कर सकते हो. हाय गाइस, अब हम आ चुके हैं कुतुब मीनार के राइट सामने एंड दिस दिस वेरी फेमस हेरिटेज वॉक ऑफ द कुतुब मीनार विच वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग टुडे. सो द टिकट हियर इज फॉर 40 रुपीज़ एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज बुक इट ऑनलाइन. ऑफलाइन कुछ भी टिकट काउंटर वगैरह नहीं है. बट लेट्स सी दिस ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. You can also hire a tour guide who will be able to explain you in terms of what is the history of the place and how did it all began, क्या हो रहा है आसपास. So I think that would be a good idea. So that is exactly what we are trying to do there. Trying to bargain with the guide. Qutub Minar was built in the 4th century, and later on the kings and the rulers who came started to modify it in their own manner, and that's how it got its name for being built by Qutbuddin Aibak, because he was a very prominent figure and he was also a very recent ones when the history books were being written, and that is what is right behind me, the beautiful Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar has 24 pillars on it, the ones that you can see on the structure, as well as 365 stairs, right equal to the number of days in a year. They say that if you look from the top of the Qutub Minar, if you have a drone and you fly it above, you can see the different base forming a lotus structure, and lotus very well symbolizes the national flower of India. Now let's check out more of its history. Qutub Minar is, by the way, actually called the minaret, a minar, a pillar, and so on. It was modified by a lot of rulers like Khilji. Is a beautiful structure which now comes under one of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Well, the base for this huge foundation is 23 meters deep, and it stands tall for around 73 meters. You can actually hear a lot of planes crossing above because it's extremely close to the airport. But this beautiful structure has a lot of uniqueness in it. This heritage walk of sorts is a light show of the Qutub Minar. This happens between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if you're planning to come around here, तो take care of the timings. और यहाँ पे आसपास खाने के भी बहुत सारे spots हैं. Hoskas is actually very famous for food outlets and all ना. अब हम जा रहे हैं एक ओला लेके to the Champa Gali. अब हम आ चुके हैं a very cool spot called the Champa Gali, और मेरे पीछे एक बड़ा famous photo spot है जहाँ पे मतलब मैंने बहुत ही लोगों को देखा है यहाँ पे फोटो खिंचवाते हुए, and this cafe is called the Social Street. This is how it looks. अब हम जा रहे हैं एक वेरी फेमस कैफे कॉल्ड द जुगमुग ठेला. We had our dinner at the Jugmuk Thela, which is a beautiful cafe. This place is really quaint. If you are planning to visit a Instagram worthy place, then this is the point. ज़रूर आओ इधर. और अगर आपको मज़ा आया हो देखने में तो ज़रूर लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड सब्सक्राइब करो और कमेंट करके बताओ कि कौन सी सबसे अच्छी जगह लगी आपको यहाँ पे.